How to properly install dishwasher drain hose. If you're having issue with dishwasher not washing dishes properly, then you may have an issue with drain hose siphoning water from drain pipe to dishwasher due to improper installation, as per manufacturer. This is how it should be installed to prevent siphoning. Please check out my other videos for useful information regarding your dishwasher and other household appliances. Thank you for watching.